Concentrate on what he really wants to do. Siyempre, hindi mo maalis. Medyo excited yung bata na gusto niyang gawin lahat. But I told him, you know, to try on things na sa tingin niya makakapagpaganda ng ugali niya para from there, if he can hone whatever skills he has, doon siya mag-focus. So, it's pretty open for him for now.
It's good, PJ. Mas mabibili ko ng oras ngayon.
To Mario, ha?
Siya lang mo binigyan mo ng flowers
Siya lang, oo naman.
Okay, so
Kaya kapansin-pansin.
Exercise for you and we invite people to join that.
How important is exercise? It's important for us to exercise because we don't want to be sedentary, otherwise we won't be able to move around. Physically, it helps us. It helps us to become more agile, and mentally, it helps. Of course, agile. Hindi ka lagi kasama, you know. It helps us. It helps us with our way of thinking. Parang, you know, you take out all the stress through the toxins that you sweat off. It's good. It's a release, you know. And of course, we want to be able to just enjoy life and do the things that we like to do. And we're able to do that if we are fit.
tapos na interview ni JL.
Okay naman. Si Direk Love is here. We're gonna have a screening one of these days with the cast, with the group, and then hopefully mag-premiere siya by February sa abroad, and then yung commercial run dito. Pero it's a 5-hour film, so you know it's really for the arts.
So unahin talaga sa abroad?
Yeah, so it's gonna have its international premiere, I think in Berlin, if I'm not mistaken.
Kapag di ka naging sinimugo kay Julia, kay Sophia, and sa ibang girls, may advice ka bang binibigay sa
Go, go, go!
While you're young, di ba?
Oo, mamili ka na. Sabi na nila eh. Collect then select. Basta huwag lang siyang magdi-defraud ng babae. Huwag lang siyang magpapaasa. I always tell him that. Don't need the money. If there's nothing to hope for, huwag magpaasa kasi nasakit na naman.
Ikaw ba nagsisimula ka na mag-collect?
Collect?
Advice
Ano
ko
yan?
sa anak ko eh. Di dapat you should do it yourself.
Yeah, for yourself, sabi ka nila.
O ano nga?
Ano ba?
May ikaw ba are you starting to collect?
Mahirap, huwag naman ganyan.
Bakit kaya ikaw mo yun? Tapos sa'yo
Bata yun eh, bata yun. Hindi naman necessarily collect. You style, you look, and then tignan mo kung meron, di ba yun?
Ikaw, not this 2015 kasi patapos na eh.
Malay mo, di ba?
So far, wala pa siyang pinakilala.
Meron naman, pero bata yan eh. Kaya sinasabi ko lang sa kanya, ayusin lang niya yung pakikisama niya. Huwag lang siya manggagamit ng tao.
So okay lang na may girlfriend na.
Oo naman, lalaki yun. Dapat naman. Dapat talaga.
Pero wala munang serious na.
Hindi dapat. Kasi mas may enjoy mo yung acting mo pag dumadaan ka sa heartbreaks, dumadaan ka sa mga pagsubok sa buhay, and that makes you a better person. Hindi naman kailangan magkaroon ng sexual contact. You know, just go through the ropes of being in a relationship and then, you know, be a better person.
But what if ano mo yun, parang ikaw, si Inigo, magkaroon ng baby out?
It's his responsibility. Nasa sa kanya yun. Parang sinasabi ko na, when you're 18, you're paying for your own bills, you are your own person, and you know, you have to realize that ikaw na yung magmamaneuver ng buhay. Just be there for you to guide you. Pero ikaw ang last decision.
Ikaw ba, handa naman yung
Hindi, kapasok sa sarili ba?
Pero sarap. Hindi ko, binata pa rin ako. Kahit naman may anak ako eh. Wala pa naman ako kasama. So, bahala siya kung uunahan niya ako.
Papapay si Sara Labati papasok sa Riten. Ano reaction? Si Sara Labati papasok sa Riten. Sa teleserye
pasok sa soap namin si Sarah. I'm excited to work with her because ang sarap niyang panoorin magsayaw. Ang bait niya. Saka magaan. Nakasama ko siya before sa Malaysia. So, okay naman. We're friends with Chard, with Raymond, and with Sarah and Rufa. So, yeah. I'm excited to work with her.
Si Kim Chu, sabi niya it was a dream come true daw na nakasama.
Nabasa ko nga yung post niya eh. And I'm just really excited to work with her because isa si Kim sa mga talagang inaangaan ko artista because wala kang marinig na angal, hindi siya nalilate sa trabaho, at mahal niya yung trabaho niya. And I want to work with people na may ganung respeto sa trabaho.
Sorry, ihabol ko lang. Hindi ko
Victoria na.
Victoria na guys. Dahil nagpa-interview naman si Sharon, she said na she regrets. May message ka ba sa kanya directly?
Actually, I read the article kanina. And yun nga, sabi ko sa cyber, I said it's a corner of my chest. You know, ayaw naman natin ng kaaway. You know, I'm thankful for that. But, you know, if there's anything that we have to settle with each other, siguro maganda ng mga pag-usap kami. Pero of course, you know, I'm thankful for it. If there's anything that I did to offend her and her family, I'm also sorry for it. You know, syempre, it's like what she said, nanay din eh, di ba? So, she's entitled to that, and you know that's why I apologize for this. Well,
Pero Papa P, sa part mo,
Ramdam namin ng interview, she regrets it. Same as me.
pero Papa P, sa part mo, napatawad mo na rin siya.
hindi ako nagtatanim ng galit sa tao eh. I think isa sa mga magandang niregalo sa akin ng Diyos yun. Hindi ako mapagtanim na tao, so madali akong makapagpatawad because for me, may reasons din naman ng mga tao ba't nila nagagawa yung mga ganung bagay. So, bahala na lang sila. But for me, as far as I'm concerned, I don't hold grudges against anyone. At hindi ko pinapatagal yung mga issues.
And happy ka na everything is well.
Of course. Who wouldn't be?
Thank you guys!
Thank you.
So, guys,